What up, peeps? I did this meat the other night. It's shaved beef from Kroger, but I didn't have this cheese on there like that. But yeah, they're cheesesteaks. Of course, I hope you got that part. It's using this cheese right here. Fucking kind of spicy, but it's Monterey Jack for the most part. And I'm just here to talk to you about it. These are delicious. You can get cheese like this. Even Campbell Soup sells this kind of cheese in a can. It's cheddar. Maybe other varieties, I don't know. I never bought it, but I've seen it before. And you can hook up your sandwich that way, or you can make your own queso dip, or however. I'm sure there's other videos online about it, but just wanted to bring you this. Gonna go a little bit longer so I can get shorts in the future of this and hook up more short content, because I'm trying to get more subscribers and more views and shit. You understand? This is how it works. So I gotta get at least 2 minutes on here, and then I got some shorts for a while out of one little video. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Alright, you guys, thanks for checking in. Have a great day. I love you. Please check out one of these next videos on the screen. YouTube loves you too. The dogs love you too. Right? And there they are, closed. That's how it will look coming out of a wrapper from the cheesesteak place, wherever you go. Alright, I'm out. Peace.